Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will show how to create a label using GTKC programming, of course code block IDE, third part of this project. Now I have created a label GTK GTK widget star label label semicolon GTK and container, different type of container, but my choice is fixed grid container GTK widget FXED fixed container is the best. It is easy to design. After the signal connect destroy event, label label equal GTK label GTK label new. Now what is the containing of the label? Label content WELCOME welcome to PROGRAMMING programming ABC semicolon label. Before label make fixed container XED fixed equal GTK FXED fixed GTK fixed new fixed container at first create, then label GTK FXED fixed put GTK FIXE fixed first bracket object FIXED fixed comma widget, which widget contain in the fixed into fixed widget name label and GINT X position 200 and Y position 100 semicolon. Now GTK container add GTK container add GTK container first bracket window and FIXED fixed semicolon. Code complete, but now this label not show because I have add a label যেটিকে widget show win আছে win make it show all যেটিকে widget show all. Now build and run. My frame and label welcome to programming ABC. It's working. My next video, how to create a button with event. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share.